Good evening, one and all here. Respected our Finance Minister, Ital Rajendra Garu, Telangana, State of Telangana. NVS Reddy Garu, MD for Hyderabad Metro, and Rajam Garu, Chairman, Metro India. My colleague members, MBS Purushottam Garu and Secretary for the Mathrishri Educational Society, Jitendra Nath Garu, sharing the podium along with me. And my other members sitting on the other side of the podium, Vasudev Rao, Pawan Kumar. Also, the principal and the vice principal, the faculty of various disciplines, both in assistant, associate, and the teaching staff. Sir, as it's been told earlier that the college was formed in 1981, this is almost more than 3 decades that we are in existence as a private engineering college in the state of Telangana now, though it was formed in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I know it's a pride moment for you all. I know you've been waiting for this day for a long time. Maybe 1 year, you have graduated in 13, and probably you're looking for this day after 2014. I should really thank that the novice thought that the principal and the vice principal have come up with to have such a convocation, which not only provides you the motivation, but also ensures moving forward one way. The other way is the reunion of all of you after a long time, and also giving an opportunity for your parents to be part of this convocation. I know it's not only a pride moment for you, but the parents of the ward also will have a wonderful day, wonderful evening to have their wards taking their accolades at the degree of the merit in engineering from the college, which was given by the university. Just to give you the backdrop of the trust. The trust is formed in 1992, though the college was in existence for 34 years. It was actually one of the novice thoughts of one of our members, Venkatratnam Garu, having seen the quality of education that the college has been given. I think I should not mince words. I should appreciate if everybody applaud for the quality of lecturer staff that we have in our college. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, my students, my wards. NVS Venkatratnam Garu has come up with a novice thought to have a trust wherein to further motivate the students, not only having the quality of education within themselves and the quality of education that our staff would provide, but also to make sure that those students would become a worthy citizens through a sort of motivation that he has come up with a gold medal. Today we are also giving a gold medal. Sir, to let you know that Trust is an offshoot of Mathrishri Education Society. We back the students on various fronts, sir. We have a character building library where we ensure that students go through those cycles. We also provide the gold medals for the best students every year, though this function typically happens at the annual day of the 2015, since the convocation has become earlier because of the order of the day of various colleges are getting into this convocation. This has become quite often an event of every college. And plus we also have a book bank, sir, where we give it for the desired students. The first of the discipline where the particular ward stands. And above that, we also honor the teachers, sir. We have a grading system where we honor not only the students, but also the faculties from various disciplines. There is a different scaling or rating system through which a professor will be decided as the best, where 70% of the grading is from the students themselves. Coming back to the crux of it, I would not like to